Morning. I am Reggie, Associate Professor, Department of ECE. Today we are going to see about instruction execution. What is instruction execution? On completion of the topic, students will be able to know, explain about the instruction execution, understand about instruction cycle. Instruction execution. A sequence of instruction make up a program stored in a computer memory unit. The CPU executes this instruction by going through a cycle for each instruction. The instruction cycle is a simple computer include the step list. Get the instruction from memory, decode the instruction from memory, read the effective address, execute the instruction. The instruction cycle consists of 4 phases: fetch instruction, execute instruction, decode instruction, read address, fetch instruction. So the instruction consists of 4 stages. First, if you see the first fetch instruction, normally if you see the instruction cycle, it consists of 4 phases. The instruction cycle, the first phase is fetching an instruction from memory, decoding the fetched instruction, reading the address from memory, and finally instruction execution. The computer processor carry it out. So the input output configuration. In computer architecture, input output device act as an interface between the machine and user. Input output device. So between the input and machine and user. Instruction and data stored in the memory must come from some input devices. The results are displayed on the output unit. The input output are, if you see the input, keyboard is the input, transmitter interface, INPR, AC, that is a register, computer registers and flip-flop, receiver interface, printer is the output. So between keyboard and printer, you will have several communications, that is input output configuration. The input output terminal send and receive information. The amount of information transferred will be always having 8 bits of a alphanumeric code. The information generated through the keyboard is shifted into a input register INPR. The information for the printer is stored in the output register OUTR. The registers INPR and OUTR communicate with the communication interfaces serially with the ACA parallel. The transmitter interface receives information from the keyboard and transmit it to INPR. The receiver interfaces receive information from OUTR and send to the printer serially. So from this topic, students can understand about the instruction execution, about the instruction cycle. The instruction cycle are divided into 4 phases. First, already you know. First, what is fetch the data, take the input, then you decode it, then you transfer it, and finally you will get the output. That's what the input output interface, what actually you will have. From this topic, what is the instruction execution in an operating system? So most of the time we will use command line for this program for the instruction execution. Question number 2. Why is exceptional handling important during instruction execution? So more or less we know how you will handle the execution. So far as we will concern, the instruction execution is very important in the computer based digital system. Thank you.